I used to think fall and winter were like the busier times of year, you know, spring, summer were more chill. But the fact of the matter is, pretty much year round, we're busy. It's just life, and as a mom of 3 kids, working, my life is always busy. I'm sure many of you can also relate to having a busy life, no matter what your situation is. And as someone that also likes beauty and self-care, it's hard to find time to like go to the spa and get a facial or go get beauty treatments done. So what I do to feel like I'm kind of pampering myself a little bit is I have a nice evening routine of cleansing my face and moisturizing that feels very therapeutic and relaxing and spa-like, but I can do it at home on my free time, whether I'm getting ready for bed at 9 or 11:30 at night. So in this video, I'm gonna walk you through my process of getting unready for the day and sort of winding down, cleaning my face, the process I go through. I really spend a lot of time on skincare in the evening more than the morning. I like that routine anyway, and then that gives all the products time to soak into my skin overnight. I'll be using a few products from Biossance in my routine. I have loved that brand since I discovered it at the beginning of 2019, but I also want to tell you about their gift kits. If you've got gift ideas on the brain or you need some ideas, these gift kits from Biossance are wonderful. And if you're like, ooh, I feel a little weird gifting skincare to like someone I love, like, here, you need this. No. This is like very wonderful luxury products that anyone would love to receive. So let me show you the top 3. I'm looking at them now. I'll break down a few of them for you, and then I'll use a few products from one in my unready routine. Biossance is full of really good ingredients. They use plant-based products. They're vegan. It's clean beauty, and you can just tell it doesn't have an overpowering fake fragrance. They really deliver results. Like the Phyto Retinol serum I've been using is not retinol. It's a plant-based retinol alternative. And since I've been using it, people ask me if I get Botox. I'm like, no, I'm just using this Biossance serum. It's amazing. And then the products in these kits, like the rose oil sinks into your skin so nicely, that tea tree oil, I could just talk about the brand forever. I really have loved them. So do check them out if you haven't already. So these are the 3 kits. I'll start with the small one here. These are 2 travel sizes. It's the Stay Balanced Duo. It's $22, 28 Canadian, and the value is $32. So what I love about these is their travel size. It's the Squalene plus tea tree balancing oil, and then the Squalene plus probiotic gel moisturizer. I love that gel moisturizer. And I love that it's a balancing oil with tea tree, this other option. I've used that on the areas of my skin that are prone to breakouts, which is my chin, and it is not greasy. It like sinks into your skin in a nice way and doesn't feel like, oh no, I'm just loading my pores up with more oil if my skin's already prone to breaking out. The tea tree is gonna clean that area. These are 2 wonderful products, and they're trial size if you just wanna dip your toe in the water of Biossance for now. The next gift kit is their rose oil. I talked about this around Mother's Day. They had such a nice Mother's Day package. This is the Squalene plus Vitamin C Rose Mask, the Squalene plus Vitamin C Rose Oil, and then the Rose Vegan Lip Balm. The lip balm's incredible. I also got to try that. It's in here, but I got to try that a few months ago, and it's really very nice. So this is $72. The value is $93. This would be a great thing to give to like a mother, a mother-in-law, a woman in your life. The rose oil feels like kind of luxurious and, I don't know, girly. Maybe it's just the rose part of it, but also a great kit full of great products. And then the last one is the Clean Favorites Trio. This is my personal favorite. This is the Squalene plus Omega Repair Cream, the Squalene plus Marine Algae Eye Cream, which is wonderful. I've been using that now for months and I really love it. And then the Squalene Vitamin C Rose Oil. So this is full size, and then these 2 are sample size in this box. And this is a great, to me, introduction to the brand if you're new to Biossance. I started with Biossance with a Phyto Retinol serum that I've been using ever since I started using it, so almost a year now. But I feel like of the 3 packages I showed you, if you're like, ooh, I want to explore that brand, I'm going to buy one of these gift sets for myself, this is the one I would most highly recommend. All 3 are great, but this gives you a good introduction to like good products that pretty much anyone could use. I'll have links to those products below the video, but now let me go get unready for the day and show you that process. After wetting my skin with lukewarm water, I'm cleansing it by using the pads of my fingers and very gently rubbing the cleanser around my skin.
And then after I rinse the cleanser off, I'm using a towel to dab my skin dry. You'll notice I don't do a lot of rubbing or pulling on the skin. I just want to protect the elasticity that is there for now and not pull on it any more than I need to. Next up is eye cream. I'm using my ring finger to apply the eye cream all the way around my eye. I think a lot of people assume eye cream is only for the under eye area, but in fact, all of the skin around your eye is really delicate and thin, so putting eye cream in either a full C shape or a full circle all the way around your eye is the best way to use eye cream for the most effective result. Now I'm using the Biossance Squalene Plus Omega Repair Cream specifically around my nose area. This is such a rich and decadent cream. It has everything my skin needs on those very dry areas. So for me, that is right around my nose and then up to my eyebrows. I'm going to spend a little time here rubbing it in, doing small circles around my nose. And these products are so good. This one specifically has hyaluronic acid, which is really great for hydrating deeply. The more time you spend rubbing it into your skin so it sinks in deeply, the better. Finally, I'm using the Squalene Plus Vitamin C Rose Oil on the rest of my face. I'm just putting 2 drops on the pads of my fingers, rubbing it in through my palms, and then I'm just pressing the oil into my skin. Again, instead of rubbing all over my face, I'm spending time using the warmth of my hand to push the oil deeply into my skin. This gives my skin a really good boost of hydration without looking greasy or oily.
Well, I hope you enjoyed watching it and perhaps are inspired to give yourself a spa day at home too at the end of the night. That's usually when I'm tired. I'm sure you are as well. And it just feels like a little extra self-care, me time, doing a nice long skincare routine at the end of the day.